most times when a child is transitioning from exclusive breastfeeding to complementary feeding, this time is really hard for lots of mothers to really come to the terms that their children are transitioning. So in this case, they introduce to them some sweet drinks, sweet food. Some start giving them cakes at that period. So some start giving them Coke. I've seen a mother give a child Coke, some Ribenas, some Fanta. And when you give them these things, their taste buds automatically goes that way. Their taste buds wants it more. Some even put glucose to their meals when giving them at that transitioning stage. That's from 7 months and above, which is not supposed to be. Then, what mothers should be doing or what parents should be doing is they get staple foods like rice. You can boil it, you keep it aside, you buy carrots, you heat it a little, not boil, you heat it, maybe heat it with the rice. You can put a little bit of liver because it's soft. You put it together with the rice. Then you blend it. You can put little egg whites or a full egg, a whole egg into the rice. Then you blend it together and give it to your child. Thereby, in such case, you're inculcating natural staple foods at a very little age. This child will grow wanting it more. But when you start at that little age and start giving them lots of things or sugars, they would grow and want it more, and there's nothing you could do. But see, there is something you can do. There's absolutely something you can do. Don't be scared. In this case, when you're giving them rice, you can cook a little rice. Start little by little. You can tell them, oh, baby, if you eat this thing, I'm going to give you this. And sometimes when they finish eating these things, they will want it more. Mom, you can give them rice. In that rice, you put little meat by the side, put a little vegetable by the side, put a little beans by the side. When they finish eating it, the bottle of Fanta is by their side. Just you can use to cajole them. Baby, finish eating this food. After eating this food, I will give you the rice. I will give you the drink. And I'll watch them finish those food and they will not even want to take the drink again.